Tim Hurd from Robert Half International's, he's Managing Director for Asia, joins us now from Singapore. Very good day to you, Mr. Hurd. Is this 2008 all over again?
Owen, good morning. Well, there's certainly, on a global level, the general sentiment is that it potentially could be coming. I guess looking at Robert Half's global footprint across South America, North America, the UK, continental Europe, the Middle East and Asia Pacific, we as an organisation actually feel most positive about the growth prospects here within Asia, including the financial services industry.
And how does that pan out across Asia? There must be different trends depending where you are, not perhaps so good in Hong Kong, better in China. Is that what you're finding?
I mean, not necessarily. I think we're still seeing fairly robust hiring trends throughout those three markets, throughout China, Hong Kong and Singapore. Unemployment rates across those three countries still remain relatively low and haven't changed that much through the course of the last sort of 3 to 6 months. I guess we're seeing within the financial services industry probably three key recurring trends. Many finance institutions are still looking to, I guess, move a lot of their back office and support functions out from higher cost locations such as in North America and the West, and move those functions strategically into Asia where they feel they can, I guess, get greater return and minimise their cost base from a compensation perspective. The second key trend we're seeing is that there's an ongoing need for people with very heavy experience within risk, within compliance, and that's to support some of the ongoing regulatory requirements that finance institutions are now facing. And I guess the third key trend, which we're certainly seeing recurring regularly, is that as banks look to shift their fixed compensation costs and manage their compensation costs, they're bringing in a lot of contractors which they can, I guess, hire on a flexible resource basis whereby they can continue business as usual as well as continue sort of business critical projects. So they're the three key trends we're seeing here in Asia.
And when you're looking at the sort of jobs that are being lost, what type of jobs are being affected and at what level of the career ladder?
Well, Owen, I guess the answer to that is that we have not witnessed the volume or the sentiment of retrenchments, I guess, that perhaps Western Europe and North America has witnessed. If anything, we're still seeing organisations, financial institutions high here. And what's interesting, and certainly with the large number of finance institution organisations that we speak with every day, albeit there's a macro global situation where they're making redundancies, we've actually got finance institutions here that are actually looking to increase headcount incrementally. What we would say, though, is certainly with...
Sorry, carry on.
Yeah, I guess having said that, Owen, clearly the fourth quarter of the year within finance institutions anywhere around the world, it's very typical and seasonal that banks use this as an opportunity to review their performers within the institutions that they work for. So we are certainly seeing people, I guess, retrenched, but that's mainly due to performance as it relates, as opposed to sort of large-scale retrenchment that what we're seeing in Western Europe and North America.
Tim Hurd, Managing Director for Asia at Robert Half International. Good to talk to you. Thanks for joining us on Bloomberg today.